Day 15. Good enough. There's Boob the cat. She's having a hard time pooping. She had blood in the wee-wee last night. Yeah, I had blood, wee-wee bloods. And then it was leaking out with urine. But she still got a stuck poo-poo. Not wanting to come out. So she seems to be feeling wonderful, other than the poo-poo don't want to come out. Gave her some oil to help slip it out. And put some tea in the blueberry tea for urinary tract infection. Just put some in the food and in the water. Just tear the tea bag open and put it in. And the chamomile tea for relaxation. I guess you could use a little cat CBD oil. See if she'll drink some. I'll go get some of that. There's the mirror. We're in the bedroom, but we got her on a special mattress here, special blankie, because it was stinking last night, leaking blood. She was leaking blood urine last night. So here's the tea water. Put some tea flakes in there. Got a cat thing there. She can still go out the hole there. That's the breeze blocker. Here's the tea. So just emptied the bag out. Took the tea bag and just emptied it out so it's loose flake in there. So blueberry green, and chamomile. Smooths tension, mild tension. Energizes and supplements. But that idea came from this, which is D-mannose for urinary tract infections. And these are the ingredients: blueberry leaf, blueberry powder, cranberry fruit powder, dandelion, golden seal, and parsley. So the brother saw some of that in the tea bags. Got a bunch of yogi tea bags from going to the Catholic Community Services years ago for food bank. So organized all those this morning, or this afternoon, upon waking. Way Queen. But there's some peach. Brother's gonna drink some peach. In the mood to drink some peach here lately. So that's that. Got some wood burning in the stove in there. There's the orange. It's not really firing up very good. Might as well open the door back up. Turn the fan on. Get the blocker out of the way. Open the door. Seem to be going now. It does seem to be going a bit, so that'll be good. I put an extra one on there. What the hell? Add some extra woods on the floor here. Close that up. Put that back in there. Adjust the vents. Got the fans going. Blow all the smoke out of the room. One back down there. There's the towel next to the heater to get dry. Kitchen towels from rinsing the hands off. Here's the Bluetooth wireless mouse for the smartphone. There's Boom. Yeah. So the brother learned, the Sicily brother was living off electricity from 2012 to 2017. 2012 to 2017. Brother was living on rainwater, catching in buckets, plastic tarps, gutter water. He was using that to drink. He caught a burning dick, urinary tract infection. Self-assessment, because the brother had experienced a urinary tract infection before and went to the store and got that D-Manos. Empty a bottle of D-Manos. And it cleared it up. So it seems how the brother had a bunch of tea from the Catholic Community Services. Bunch of tea up in there. Started reading the ingredients and matching them up on the back of the D-Manos container and concluded that the tea should clear up urinary tract infection. And sure enough, it did. The burning went away. So anyway, go back in the room. Be sure that the back door is locked. It's in the upright position and upright to the right up there, that's lock. There's Poooo. Take a couple poops. You need downs if you go have downs. So she's gonna get down. She's been leaving poops in the house. And there hasn't been very many poops in the cat box outside lately. She's been drinking a lot of water, pissing a lot. So she's been having nice. Looks like she's wanting to poop. I have a mirror on camera. Yeah, put camera. Nope, didn't have to go. No. She's severely constipated. She says, yeah, I'm over here. I'm having me some hot rock. Anyway, so connect this back to the electricity. Yep, there's the 95% on the battery.